to our Ounuo family. Today I'm going to introduce to you about our Zhejiang Ounuo Machinery Company Limited. I'm Susan.
I'm Zoe. Hello Susan. As we know, Ounuo Company is a professional machinery manufacturer in China. The brand of Ounuo, we also call it Ouyang or Ouwell. It's also very famous in abroad. People who want to get into this industry are very curious about what products does Ounuo Company have. Could you please give us a brief introduction?
Yes, of course. Come on, let me guide you to see our factory. Founded in 2006, developing fast and covering an area of 130,000 square meters currently. Ounuo has been 16 years specializing in the packaging machines, development, and manufacture of high-quality machines as follows. Paper bag solutions to make various kinds of paper bags. It is widely used in shopping bag, food bag, baking bag. Non-woven bag making solutions to make different types of non-woven bags, including decal bag, shoes bag, t-shirt bag, handle bag, and box bag. Wave stack machine. It's used for cement, animal food, chemical fertilizers. Paper cutlery machine to make various kinds of paper spoon, paper knife, paper fork. Printing machine, such as flexo printing, screen printing, and digital printing machine. It can be used for non-woven and paper material printing. We have our own experienced R&D department for each division. By now, Ounuo have already covered more than 150 countries and regions. Our services are all over the world.
So great! What makes Ounuo so competitive and attracts so many clients from all over the world to cooperate?
Well, it's really too many advantages. Let me start to tell you from raw material control system. We invest $20 million to import world-class CNC machinery center, including Japan's Majaka flexible production line. The perfect process flow ensures the accuracy and durability of each spare parts. It makes the machine will run more stability and efficiency. Our world's most advanced intelligent warehouse. One key in the warehouse, one key out of the warehouse, which greatly reduces the time for customers to get a spare parts on time without any delay.
Nice job! How can one company have so many successful projects at the same time? Could you please share it with everyone?
Well, it's a good question. Ounuo is a company with a perfect management system. There are different departments. Each department is equipped with its own professional engineer team. Cooperation with Ounuo can provide you complete solutions and timely after-sale services.
Great! After listening to Susan's introduction, I believe that everyone have a deeper understanding of Ounuo Company. Any interest about our project, welcome to contact with us for more details.
See you next time. Bye-bye.